Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got a very exciting TV to unbox for you today. It's the brand new S95B QD OLED from Samsung. This is Samsung's first venture into OLEDs for a long time. They did one briefly a long time ago. This is gonna be, I think, a major player in the TV game this year. So we're gonna unbox this one for you, show you all the accessories that come with it, and then give you our first impressions of the picture, so stay tuned. So here are all the accessories that come in the box. The first piece that you're looking at on the left is a cable management cover for the back of the TV. And then we have another cover piece for the pedestal. Following that is the neck piece that's going to attach to the back of the TV. And then finally is the bottom plate that neck is going to attach to. Then we've got the slightly redesigned solar cell remote, a power cord, 2 holder wall rings, and an audio adapter. So we've got the TV all set up, and it's hard to describe exactly how good this picture is. It's like you're just seeing whatever's in front of you. You don't feel like you're watching a TV. So it is just, everything about it is impressive. We're gonna do a full overview on it to talk a little bit more about the features and give better impressions of things. But first impressions are, this is absolutely incredible. So as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for our full overview, and we'll see you in the next one.